Metal 3D printing is often out of reach for small and medium-sized enterprises. At A-Metal, we are changing that. I'm Stephan, CEO and co-founder. While plastic 3D printing is widely adopted, metal 3D printing is still limited to large companies with extensive R&D budgets. Existing machines are complex, requiring special protection equipment and lab conditions for critical powder handling at a price tag usually over $200,000. This makes it difficult for SMEs in industries like dental or tooling to access this technology. We've developed an affordable, compact and safe metal 3D printer. Our cartridge system limits the direct powder handling to a minimum, lowering infrastructure needs. Thanks to our innovative free-coater design, we've reduced the printer size by 3 to 4 times while bringing the price down to just $70,000. In 2024, we've already started a pilot program with 10 customers in the aerospace, tooling and dental markets. Early feedback from these industry users show great usability, competitive accuracy and surface quality, as well as guidance for our continuous product improvements. Thanks to early adopters, grants and investors, we funded our MVP development and installed our first 10 units, taking a crucial step towards making metal 3D printing more accessible to the broad industry.